It's nice to have someone help you in the kitchen.
Oh. You know, so again, I don't always just cook meatballs. I also like to cook the salmon. And we had meatballs last night, so now my wife hasn't had to cook in 3 nights. Salmon's hard to cut with a knife because of the skin. We found that you need a pair of scissors. This is interesting. This is also not farm salmon. I would never eat farm salmon ever. Now, I don't use butter like everybody else. I use tubes of butter. These are Vermont lightly salted tubes. This is what you want. Vermont Creamery cultured butter. Stop squaring my butter. My butter's circular. Circular butter, baby. Do you have tubes of butter or do you have square butter? Are you a square butter boy? So here we are again cooking salmon. Easy recipe to cook salmon for the men out there. You want to make a nice meal for your wife real quick? She will love you if you just come home with some salmon. On your way home from work one day, grab salmon. Now, wild sockeye salmon, do not get that farm stuff with all the white in there. This is a fresh piece of Alaskan sockeye salmon. Previously frozen, but it's better than buying farm fish. All right? You cut it into nice fillets. You need the scissors because, just trust me, it's hard to get through the skin without the scissors. About 4 nice fillets is all you need, okay? That's all you need. This one might have to be a little, I might have to debone this one a little bit. You're gonna brown some butter in a pan, simple. Let it cook until it gets kind of, somewhat brown. Very easy. You're gonna grab the salt, you're gonna grab the pepper, all right? Salt, pepper, this is so simple. Your whole family will love you, you'll have no problem. Salt in one hand, a little on this side, a little on that side. A little more salt, flip it. Salt the back a little bit, all right? Try not to get your hand all covered in. So you're gonna salt the backs. It will cut this fast, so don't worry. It won't feel this way. And then you're gonna slap on pepper on the back, pepper on the back, pepper on the front. Pepper on the front.
Lower the butter flame.
Pepper on the front. Pepper on the front. Right? That butter's browning. I like what it's doing. It's looking good. We're gonna take each fillet, slap it down nicely like this, skin side up. Skin side up. Skin side up. Skin side up. Look at that fit nicely in the middle there, right? We'll check back with you in a second and I'll show you what to do. Actually, you let this sit for about 4 to 5 minutes on this side. We're gonna flip it, 4 to 5 minutes on the other side. Then we're gonna throw in some lemon water, bring it all together, and you're gonna see an amazing meal at the end. And for the last 2 minutes, you take a whole thing of lemon juice and you throw it in there. I'd already put a little more in there, but you want to get like about 2 whole lemons and you throw it in there. And then sprinkle some parsley on at the top. At this point, you can kind of just let it do its thing. Turn the flame off, let it hang out. That kind of boils in the nice water. And then I'm going to show you how we plate it. So when you bring it to the table, it looks like you run a 4-star restaurant. All right, so now you're going to flip them after 5. All right, so they've been cooking for 5 minutes. Look, we got the browning on the top. Oh, it's just like Outback Steakhouse. I want to use the sauce.
Ooh.
Let's put another about 4 minutes now. All right, now we're going to plate the salmon. All right, so it's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. First thing we're going to do, grab the tongs. Okay, come underneath the skin, grab the back, lay it flat. What I kind of like to do is lay it the way the fish actually was done to begin with. Okay, grab the tail, put the tail on the back. We have these middle sections, put them in the middle sections, like so. And then this end piece here. A little bit of fell out. So now we have a nice fish kind of going this way. We're going to put 1, 2, 3 circular lemons. We're going to pick up the dish. This is cast iron. You got to be a hefty man to do that. And you're going to lay it on the top, just like so. Bang. Pick it up and bring it to the table. there you have it. And now we break fast. Basmati rice, asparagus, fresh juice that I prepared with pineapple, apple, and carrot. And this is just a meal fit for a king. Break my fast. I'm done.